Vienna is both a capital and a lived-in hometown, where government buildings stand beside markets and apartment blocks. The city moves at an easy rhythm. It has grown layer by layer, with every corner holding a trace of what came before. Mariahilfer Straße is Vienna's main shopping artery, a long stretch where locals run errands, meet friends, or grab a quick espresso. The Hofburg served as the seat of the Habsburg dynasty for over 600 years. Today, it houses the president's offices, museums, and the National Library. The Burggarten, once reserved for the imperial family, is now a peaceful park where people relax on the grass or admire the Mozart statue. The Vienna State Opera hosts performances almost every night, each one different from the last. Kärntner Straße runs through the heart of Vienna, connecting key squares and landmarks in the city center. It is a great place to pause and try local pastries while watching the city go by. The Donner Fountain was created in the 18th century by sculptor Georg Raphael Donner as a centerpiece for Neuer Markt. St. Stephen's Cathedral has stood since the 12th century, rebuilt, repaired, and soot-darkened by time. Its patterned roof tiles were once removed during the war and later replaced by hand. Horse-drawn carriages, or fiaker, still clatter across cobblestones, more for charm than transport, but still part of Vienna's landscape. The Donaukanal is a narrow branch of the Danube, lined with street art, bars, and stepped banks where you can unwind in summer. The Plague Column on Graben Street was built in gratitude for survival after the epidemic of 1679. Its clouds and angels rising from a city that endured. St. Peter's Church hides just behind Graben. Its Baroque interior glowing with gold and candlelight. Concerts here are often free, offered to anyone who happens to step in from the street. At Michaelerplatz, Roman ruins lie open under glass, showing the city's layers and history. The Spanish riding school continues to train Lipizzaner horses much as it did in the 18th century, with morning exercises open to early visitors. Between the twin museums of art and natural history, Maria Theresienplatz forms a quiet symmetry of culture and curiosity. The Prater amusement park is known for its iconic Ferris wheel, a fixture of Vienna's skyline since 1897. The park offers a variety of rides and attractions. It is a place where many Viennese families come to relax and end their day. Vienna's character is shaped by everyday choices: which bakery to choose, which tram to take, and who to meet for coffee. If you can take one image away, let it be daily life continuing calmly among layers of history.